And this is my son, Hannah, playing in the dirt. She's making a tornado. She's making a twister. She's killing the whole town. The city's been mushed by the sandstorm. They have lived long enough. Oh, what's this? Is this a big hole? Someone dug a hole?
Oh my god.
So just so you guys know, if anybody does see this video on the YouTube channel, this girl is 22 years old, and this is just how she likes to play. She has an exceptional ability to crouch down and fill yellow boxes with sand. This is what she looks like really close up.
Apparently I'm 20.
22, I believe, is what we told them.
Yeah, what we told them. We're not going to give up my real age.
The dark, ominous skies of the
Ready?
pending storm.
Tornado! Ah!
Tornado?
Come on.
Yeah, maybe it packed it in a little too hard.
Tornado!
Yeah. Moving on.
Tornado!
Moving on.
Hello!
See you later, tornado girl.
No!
Say goodbye.
No!
Oh no.